Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next
In
Weather.
the 50s right now, and it looks like we're going, just like last night, but there's a big difference tonight. We're going to get a wind shift, and that's going to start moderating temperatures before we would bottom out into the 40s like we did this morning, coldest morning in the last couple of years. So here are the temperatures as we hit through the overnight hours. Watch what happens, and notice the arrows here, right? North flow, but the winds are going to start shifting to the northeast, and that's going to bring in some warmer air from the Atlantic. So despite the fact that we dip into the mid-50s, here we are at 5 a.m. The temperatures are actually going to start going up as opposed to down because of that shift in the wind. That is huge here across South Florida. Only way we stay cool is with the north wind, and that is going to get shut down for tomorrow. And that's the setup, by the way, as we head through the next few days. We're going to continue with a chilly morning. Sunny, mild afternoon. That east wind eventually will be southeast, and it'll continue rotating around the clock so that we're in a southwest, very warm wind direction flow for Saturday. That'll usher in a couple of showers, and what's creating that southwest wind is we're going to be pushing a front down to the south. Front clears, and then by Sunday we're back into some mild. The conditions can be nice coming weekend here again. We'll have to deal with a few showers coming on Saturday. I'll show you that on Next Weather Rain Tracker as we start the clock there. For Friday, we're looking good. East wind, a slight chance of a couple of sprinkles right along the coast with that flow, but I think we're generally going to be in good shape. And then for Saturday morning, if you have early morning plans, I think we're good. It's midday that we'll start seeing some showers coming in. Again, that's the boundary that's going to bring in drier air. So that is about as much moisture as we're going to get here the next 7 days. And then we get a north flow coming back again on Sunday. So the rip currents are still going to be high. If you're kicking off the weekend at the beach, stay in the sand, you'll be looking good with a lot of sunshine, be nice and comfortable. Easterly winds with no alerts for now in the Florida Keys or the Atlantic waters. So that is excellent news. As we head through tonight, not as chilly. Yesterday, these were all 40s, right? So now we're looking at low 50s. I mean, it's still a cold morning still, so you got to bundle up in the morning. But by the afternoon, we're going to jump a good, 15 to as much as 20 degrees higher, and that is going to take us into the low to mid 70s with upper 60s to around 70 down in Key West. So looking good with the forecast here with a lot of sunshine, top and bottom. And then for Saturday, just a slight chance of that shower boundary coming through. 80-degree weather, and then we'll drop a little bit in the 70s for Sunday and heading into early next week. We'll be right back.